favour. It's time for the toss. Heads is the call. And tails it is. It's a good wicket to bowl on, and the winners of the toss know it. Time for some spin now. An off-spinner comes into the attack. That's a good throw by the fielder, getting right back at the stumps, opening the tally with a quick single. Excellent placement by the batsman, moves quickly to place the ball on the offside. A square drive to the leg side region. Couldn't get any runs for it. He's driven it hard and home, frolicking down the pitch. Unbelievable stuff from the fielder. The crowd's gone berserk. That's a loose delivery from the bowler. That's a clear no ball. He's scrambling back to the blocks. Can he make it? It's a loud shout and the batsman is unsure. The umpire says he's safe. Not out. Let's see what's in store for the batsman. It's time for a free hit. He looks to slog that one between long on and long off for 4 more runs to end the over. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. Excellent use of the feet by the batsman. It has been pushed down to the square region. That was nicely driven to offside colours, but stopped by the fielder. Excellent use of the feet by the batsman. It has been pushed down to the square region. Batsman's error, fielder's joy. He's gone. And there goes the wicket. He is the new man in to the team plan and anchor the innings. Let's see what happens here. Did he edge it? The umpires asked for the stump camera. He's caught some wood, it would seem. The look on his face says he knows it. That's a spot of bother for the batting team. We're going to need some sharper ears to be sure. There's the spike and it's all over. Ultra edge detect erases all doubt. Great stuff from the bowler. That's another wicket gone. He's on a hat-trick now. Sensation. He has to stick to his basics and not give away his wicket here. The batsman has driven it to perfection. Keeper! A sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. They'll pick up a cheeky double here with that nimble sprint. Oh, that was so close. He has missed out on a hat-trick, and that's 4. Using his feet superbly. Lovely shot. That's been pulled away with strong hands. 4, the over's last ball.
Paying late fees on bills? Time to switch to Amazon Pay. Get auto reminders. Never miss a bill.
They're trying to mix things up a little bit with some quick pace. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined. A swing and a miss. The batsman got luckier there. He flicks it away onto the onside this time for 4 runs. That's a good throw by the fielder. Getting right back at the stumps. A fine double that'll push the tally ahead. A textbook drive that rockets down to it. What agility! He stopped that brilliantly. into the pavilion. A new batsman walking in. Hope he can save his team's hopes. Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. That looks like a big one. Swept across with no mercy. A stellar shot. What a six. Gets to the pitch of the ball and slogs it down the onside. Couldn't have added more grace to it. Opposition for the batting side in this half. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. The batsman opting to play it safe on that one. No run. That might be dangerously close call for the batsman. The bails have been knocked off by the keeper. Third umpire is being referred here. Brilliantly stumped by the keeper, but the batsman pulls his feet into crease. A good shot selection. Drives the ball. He moves like lightning and stops it.
Sending money but getting no rewards? Time to switch to Amazon Pay UPI. Get guaranteed rewards daily.
Just inside. That was nicely driven to offside covers, but stopped by the fielder. Looks like it is an expensive over. A change of pace. A fast bowler. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. A hard smack sends the bowler a message. Keep doing that and I'll keep hitting you for four. Looks like he's sending a message to the bowler. First ball boundary. Well fielded in the end. He returns a very good throw back to the stumps. 2 runs. That's sensible cricket. That's been sliced away for 6. Jump of the ropes, 4 to the batsman. They need to build on this good partnership to post a competitive total. It's in the air. If that finds a pair of hands, it's over. And he doesn't seem to be stoppable here. Will he make it 3 boundaries in a row here? Delivery. That was an expensive over. The bowler is not so impressed with the performance. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. He's hit it badly. He's hit it high. The ball is not stopping for anyone. That's an identified flying object into the stands for 6. That's played so well by the batsmen. Lofted for massive 6. What a beauty. Leaves the batsman totally baffled. Deliveries in that one. A costly over that'll come back to bite him. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. The batsman might be in trouble here. Well fielded in the end. He returns a very good throw back to the stumps. 2 runs. Oh, that's brilliant. They've run the first one hard. It's a long, long way to Tipperary. And that stunning 6. He flicks it away onto the onside this time for more runs. The batsman has found the gap through the fielders on the offside. Taken the aerial route. 6 more. Superb wrist work. That's been deposited into the stands again at the end of the over. A poor over from the bowler. Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. The ball races away to the boundary. Beautiful sweep to clean that ball up. He hits long and hard, down the ground, over the ropes it goes. Two's company, but three's a hat-trick. Can he do it? He's joined the space race with that one. 6 runs. They've weathered many a storm together, haven't they? Great partnership. Sixes here. A 6 to bring up his half century. That's terrific. Given the ball some French leave from the pitch. Too bad the bowler didn't approve. An expensive over that'll cost the bowling a lot in makeup. Some variation in this one's deliveries. Are the gods of speed in his favour? The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. That's beautifully swept by the batsman. He's shown his contempt with a ravaging shot. Lofted for 4. Fielders are making their move in the ground. That's 2 boundaries in quick succession. Can he make it a triple? They should not try something outside the box here. This partnership is crucial for the batting team. He's yanked that out of the air, pulled it baseball style. He is on a poor spell here. He has to pick up his game from now on and try and look for some wickets. Oh, that was a close one. Not able to control the line and length of this spell. of a destructive innings from the batsman. He just has to stick to the basics and play his natural. Here. The bowling decides to send in a spin meister. Can he spin up a wicket? Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. A lovely drive down the offside. Beautiful follow through. Well fielded in the end. He returns a very good throw back to the stumps. 2 runs. That's sensible cricket. He has to run hard on this one to be safe. Good shot selection. Drives the ball to the outside. Swept away in a frenzy. The batsman has found the gap through the fielders in the deep square with a gentle push. Whacks it flat and hard to extra cover. A good over for the batting team. Will this medium pacer bolt past the batting line? We'll know soon. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. Bowlers. He knows every run stopped counts. Nicely sent back with a strong flexing action. A quick couplet from the batter. But the bowler's not singing. It's a long, long way to Tipperary. And that stunning 6. He clears the feet and slogs it on the onside. It looks like it's going all the way, and it does. 4. A good length from the bowler. That's a fine delivery. That's beautifully swept by the batsman. A treat for the Aussies as the batsman scoops it for the good old helicopter shot. That over was an all-you-can-eat buffet.
Download the RGO app.
Expensive and satisfying for the batting. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. That's been sliced away for 6. Nice to see them both supporting each other through the innings. He's lofted it skyward. Is that going to cost him? Oh, that's a boundary. Good dive by the fielder, but mistimes it. The ball races away to the boundary. That looks like a big one. Driven long and hard, all the way to... That's absolutely magnificent. He's really working those triceps with that magnificent. A wonderful ton filled with powerful hittings. something new during the non-power play overs. An off spinner. Nails. Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes in. He's lofted it skyward. Is that going to cost him? Two's company, but four's a blast. What a shot! With a hop, skip, and a jump of the ropes. Six. A great break from the doldrums. Straight as an arrow, that one. A resounding shot. Blinding speed and a quick throw. Now that's a solid defense. Good effort from the fielding unit. He gets in a shot. Swept across with no mercy. He is not able to control the line. Played too early. Finds the edge of the bat and runs to the boundary. Superb wrist work. That's been deposited into the stands again at the end of the over. That over was an all-you-can-eat buffet. Expensive and satisfying for the batting. Time for some spin now. An off-spinner. That's absolutely magnificent. It's a long way to Tipperary, and that stunning six. They need to build on this good partnership to post a competitive total. One bounce and over the fence. And that's four. Using his feet superbly. Lovely shot. Two's company, but three's a hat-trick. Can he do it? Brilliant knock by these two batsmen. He's taken the aerial route. Six more. That's it. A safe pair of hands from the fielder. A brilliant innings come to an end. He needs to stay on and finish the game. Now, a change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. He's joined the space race with that one. 6 runs. Looks like he's sending a message to the bowler. First ball boundary. It doesn't seem to be timed well. Well fielded in the end. He returns a good throw back to the stumps. The ball is not stopping for anyone. A 6 to bring up his half-century. That's terrific. Such an intimidating swing. A good ball. No runs given off that one. Goes for the covers. Overextends the shot to square. A deadly kiss goodbye to the bowler's last ball. Farewell by 4. That was an expensive over. The
लाइफ में जीतने के लिए चाहिए प्रैक्टिस, मेहनत और एक सही प्लेटफॉर्म।
bowler is not so impressed with the performance. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. That's been sliced away for 6. Slogged that straight down the ground. That's a good throw by the fielder. Getting right back at the stumps. 2 runs. That's sensible cricket. He's hit it badly. He's hit it high. It's nice to see these two at either end. Always makes for great entertainment. Played so well by the batsman for a huge 6.
Well, listen.
Goodbye to the bowler's last ball. Farewell by 4. A poor over from the bowler. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. A beautiful delivery, and it swings through the line. Off for a 6. That's beautifully swept by the batsman. He whacks it over the fielder's heads. Bounce. Is gone. A new man in. Time for him to up the scoring rate. What a cracking start. A boundary off his first encounter. It's in the air. If that finds a pair of hands, it's over. He knows every run counts. Nicely sent back with a strong flexing action. He's scrambling back to the blocks. Can he make it? The umpire knows what the batsman doesn't. Not out. A quick couplet from the batter. Then the bowler's not singing. A time for some spin now. An off-spinner comes into the attack. Time for some spin now. An off-spinner comes into the attack. He clears the feet and slogs it on the onside. Couldn't have added more grace to it. A clean sweep and it clears the field. The ball races away to the boundary. Will he make it 3 boundaries in a row here? It's a huge shot, timed brilliantly by the batsman. He has slogged that straight down the ground. That's a throw by the fielder. Get it right back at the stumps. 2 runs. Oh, that's brilliant. They've run the first one hard and came back for the second so quick. A fielder is getting ready to get a hold of it. Nice work. That's been deposited into the stands again at the end of the over. An expensive over that'll cost... The bowling a lot in makeup. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. Fielders are making their move in the ground. Some fancy footwork there. Pays off with a four. A deadly combination versus the ball when these guys are paired up. No need to run for it. Will he make it 3 boundaries in a row here? Century by the batsman, with runs coming from all around the ground. He's struggling to get into a good rhythm in this stint. To the pitch of the ball and slogs it down the arm. It's raining boundaries here. That's 2 boundaries in quick succession. Can he make it a triple? Nice work to bring up the 50 partnerships in this innings. He clears the feet and slogs it on the onside. 4 more runs to end the over. Looks like it is an expensive over for the bowler. Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. Fielders are making their move in the ground. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. He hits long and hard down the ground. Over the ropes it goes. They need to build on this good partnership to post a competitive total. Some unbelievable power hitting there. He clears the feet and slogs it on the... Another 4. The bowler has used all the weapons in his armory, but nothing is working. That's 2 boundaries in quick succession. Can he make it a triple?